Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go back to our dashboard. We want to go to post, and we're going to do our first post. So we just come here to add new. We'll enter the title of our post. And remember, always having your keyword in your post title is great. Come down here to your body. This is where we'll add basically our article. For now, I'm just going to write article coming soon, mainly because this is just an example. Okay. And then this excerpt is important. If you don't see the excerpt at the bottom, come up here to screen options and make sure that this excerpt box is checked. Come down here in the excerpt and you can just write a little something about this post, kind of summarize it. This is what people are going to see on Facebook when someone likes your post. So here you can just say, you know, check out this post about losing fat fast. Alright. And then if you come up here, we can add just add a little picture maybe. Cool. Just make sure you insert the picture into the post if you want it to show up in the post. Awesome. And then we'll just come over here and click publish. Sweet. So we can click here on break free from fat. Awesome. So here's our first post on break free from fat. So we've got our title here, the content, the article, and then our picture underneath. In the post, if you wanted this picture to be right here and you can write more under it, you can do it that way. You can have the picture at the top. It doesn't really matter. And then here the first thing we see is that there's a like and a send button on our post. Okay, so it's before the content because that's how we set it up. So what I want to do is I want to go to my Facebook profile, or my Facebook fan page rather. And here I've got my post, I've got my fan page not published right now, just so I don't confuse all my fans here with the content that's being uploaded about breaking free from fat. I'm mainly just using this WordPress blog and integrating with this Facebook page as an example. But you come down here, you see our post is automatically updated to Facebook. Okay, so now people can come in, they can like it from Facebook, they can share it from Facebook. People can come in and click on this link, which will take them right back to the article. So very cool. This is an incredibly useful tool for you. Okay, you're essentially, every time you blog, it's going to show up on your Facebook page. Okay, so let's show you. So now I want to show you what it looks like when someone comes to your blog from outside of it. Okay, so I'm going to pull another browser over here. I've got another Facebook page set up just for the sake of this example. I invented it, but let's refresh. Okay, so this is how my blog looks to someone just visiting, because I'm visiting from a different Facebook account. So you see here that someone can come in, they can check out my blog, they can come in and leave a reply, And the first thing you'll probably notice here in the reply box is that they can connect with Facebook. Okay, so all someone has to do is click here. This box pops up, and then as long as they're already logged into their Facebook, which I am on this browser, all they have to do is click login with Facebook. If not, it'll just ask them to enter their Facebook email and password like you normally would at the Facebook home screen. So log in with Facebook. Allow. And now they're logged into Facebook on our page. Okay, so this is pretty awesome because this is where the SEO really comes into play, because now you've got people coming in from Facebook commenting on your blog. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. So they can come in, comment, say, hey, great post, or whatever they want to say. They can post the comment, also click this box to share the comment on Facebook. As long as they click this box, they're going to post their comment on our blog, which is basically going to be like someone on Facebook commenting on our blog. Then also, in their news feed, this blog is going to show up, and right here, people are going to be able to come in and click on the link and like this, check out our blog, and they're going to be able to share it with people on their news feed. Okay, so I hope you see exactly where I'm going with this and how powerful this can actually be. It's just like our Facebook page. Now our blog, our article, our post is on their Facebook news feed, where it's essentially just in front of everyone that they're friends with, and this is how things go viral. But if you come back, you also notice we have the like and send button. So if someone clicks send, a box will pop up. They can send this to a friend. They can type in their friend's Facebook name. That'll populate the name. They can send a message and click send. That's pretty cool. But then we also have a like button. They can come in here. They can like this. They can say, great post. Post to Facebook. Now we've got a like from Facebook to our article, which is, when I say a social media backlink, that's exactly what we have now. We've got a link coming in from another site, which happens to be social media, which happens to be Facebook, which is really going to help us in the search engine rankings if we can get these likes up. So you come back here to their site. We see that now this person, before they had to comment, they had to click the box that said share to Facebook and then post. Here, all they had to do was like and enter whatever they were going to enter. And if they didn't enter anything, then it wouldn't say anything here. It would just say they would like it, and then it said post to Facebook, and the same thing happens as below. So basically, all they have to do really is like our page or like our post, and it gets put on their news feed. So that's incredible. Okay, so it's very easy for people to come in, like our post, and for it to show up on their Facebook profile. Okay, so it doesn't stop here. No, it does not. We are just now getting going.